Happy New Year. This is Eli, aka Devoted Day Trader. In today's video, I am going to do a weekly review of the two trades that I placed today on the S&P 500 ES futures. In this new year, in 2024, I am looking to take less trades. So without further ado, let's get to the trades. And I also want to show the trades that I took. Just only two trades. We'll start with today's trade. Today is January 5th, 2024. I went long here and I took profit here. The reason for the trade was because it traded into this 15-minute bullish breaker, these two candles, this candle and this candle, and I was anticipating for that to happen, and I went long on the 5-minute chart, but my stop was going to be a close below these two bullish candles. And as soon as I went long, it went in my direction, and I took profit here because it was I anticipated that the market was going to stop at this yellow box, which is this bearish breaker right here, this 15-minute bearish candle. I suspected it was going to act as resistance, and on the daily I am bearish, so I figured that it was going to stall around here, so I took my profit here. I netted about 20 points on this one. And then this week I only took 2 day trades on ES. The first trade that I took was on Tuesday. I went, so this is Tuesday the 2nd. I went short here and I closed out the trade here. I went short was because on the 15-minute chart, let's see if we get to the 15-minute chart. So this is the trade from Monday. I went short here because it traded into this bearish breaker. My stop was going to be a close above this 15-minute bearish breaker, and I took profit here because it was twice my risk, and closed out the trade here. And in addition, actually, why I went short on this day is we'll go to the 5-minute chart. We had some type of wedge, so which is 3 pushes: first push, second push, third push, and then we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bear bars. And usually this would get some type of a second leg down, so I went short here. And these two concludes the trades that I placed this week on ES. I'm liking this new trading day trading plan where I'm trying to take the least number of trades per week, and I have increased my position size because now I am being very patient. And also, the one more thing I would like to highlight is that I am waiting until around bar 40, which is usually there's some type of volatility in the market around bar 40 on the 5-minute chart, regular trading hours. And usually there's some type of reversal or continuation that happens at around bar 40. On the first trade on Monday, this is bar 40, so the reversal literally happened at bar 39. And then today, on today's trade, January 5th, 2024, the reversal happened at bar, this is 48, 47, on bar 46. So this is bar 46. So usually from bar 36 to bar 48, well, between bars 36 to 46 roughly, there is some type of volatility in the market. So in this new year, I am going to primarily focus on those bars for my trades in my day trading account. Hope everyone's trading is off to a great start this year. Peace.